In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist using Google Docs. Whether you're crafting a to-do list for a project, planning an event, or simply keeping track of daily tasks, Google Docs offers an easy and effective way to create and manage checklists. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps, ensuring you have all the details to make the most of this powerful tool. First, we'll open a new document in Google Docs. If you're not already familiar with Google Docs, it's Google's online word processor, part of the Google Workspace suite. This means you can access your documents from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Once your document is open, start by creating your list. You can simply type out all the items you want included in your checklist. Think about what you need to organize or accomplish and jot these items down in whatever order makes the most sense to you. Once you've got your basic list ready, the next step is to format it into a checklist. To do this, click on Format in the top menu bar. This opens a drop-down menu with various formatting options. From here, you'll want to select Bullets and Numbering. This menu allows you to tailor your list based on your preferences. From the Bullets and Numbering menu, the next selection you'll make is the Checklist menu. This option transforms your list into a more interactive format where items can be checked off as they are completed. This is particularly useful for keeping track of your progress and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Once you're in the Checklist menu, it's time to pick the layout you want for your checklist. Google Docs provides several styles you can choose from, so take a moment to browse through them and decide which one fits your document style and purpose the best. Whether you want a simple checkmark or a more detailed icon, selecting the right layout can enhance both the functionality and aesthetic of your checklist. And just like that, you're done. Your list is now a fully functional checklist ready for action. At this stage, you can begin using it by checking off items as you complete them. This small feature is powerful in keeping you organized and efficient as it visually tracks your accomplishments and what remains to be done. Remember to save your work, though Google Docs typically saves automatically and you're all set. You've taken a basic list and turned it into a powerful tool for productivity. Easy, right? Continue exploring the possibilities with Google Docs as it offers a plethora of tools to enhance your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy